Marilyn, do you love your new bed? It's your brand new Biggie Girl bed. Next is the Binks. They're gonna have to go. Should have gone a long time ago. Marilyn, where you going? Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
Your mommy crying.
Cheese.
Where? 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 Don't walk. Let's see. Can you climb in it? Let's see you climb in. Let's see if you fit. Oh, it's perfect. Thumbs up.
Next is the Binks. What?
And the fish tank.
No, fish tank stays forever.
Oh, I thought you said next to the thing.
No, next is the Binks.
Oh.
Next are the Binks. Do you love it? Do you love it?
I'm gonna read. You got fresh pink? I'm gonna clean if she likes it. Nice fresh pink.